Hello everyone. In this short session, we will check how the system allows posting of unbalanced JVs and how we can stop it. So here we will enter a JV. Okay, system basically allows the posting of unbalanced JV and the balance amount it posted into suspense account. We will just check this feature. I put 1000 debit. Just to check the function, I enter 900 credit. So it's the unbalanced JV. When I save it, it gave me a decision message that total debits do not equal to the total credits for this journal. Do you still want to save this journal? I If I press yes, then a voucher is assigned and I reserve the funds and approve it. Has been approved. He hasn't stopped me here, and I will post this ledger. Yes, it's in process. Okay, just let's find. Okay, this was the JV review. Here it posted the balance 100 rupees to the suspense account. So this is being happening in some of my friends company, and he conducted me for the process. So this is basically a standard feature. So if you want to stop this unbalanced JV being posted, we can stop it. Okay, for this we will have to change a small set of thing. At ledger, this was BSS statutory ledger. Okay, this one. At ledger, there is a option to give suspense account here. So when we give a suspense account here in ledger options, system assume it that the unbalanced JVs are being allowed and the balance amount will be posted to the, for example, we also the tracking count. Okay, the ledger option has been updated. Just have a quick yes. Now let's see what is the system behavior. Okay, we'll just check an account where we haven't enabled any complaints because it's an encumbered environment. So for example, I will try to enter the same amounts. And we'll check whether system allows me or not. Again same decision message, reserve accounts, approve, then post. Okay, at this time the system must not allow the posting. Okay, here it's process. Okay, now you can see that the error showing an unbalanced journal entry with but suspense not allowed. So now the JV is not posted because of suspense count has been enabled, has not been given on the ledger options. So this is all. Thank you.